Typhoon Hagibis is wreaking havoc on mainland Japan and is expected to bring with it the heaviest rain and winds in 60 years. More than 1 million people were advised to evacuate. Japan's meteorological agency has issued its highest emergency heavy rain warning for many prefectures, including Tokyo and Fukushima. Earlier on Saturday, a man died in an overturned car in Chiba Prefecture, east of Tokyo, where high winds were reported. Japan is currently hosting the Rugby World Cup, and matches have had to be cancelled. Only last month, one of the strongest typhoons to hit Japan in recent years either destroyed or damaged 30,000 houses and caused extensive power cuts.